That last video I made had some interesting information in it, but it didn't quite communicate what I wanted it to communicate. The storytelling was really bad. So, I'm going to make this video better. First thing I did when I got this car is I connected this here remote starter to my starter like this. One end is on the battery and one end is on the starter. How a remote starter works is that you push this button and something is supposed to happen. But as you can see, it's not. That means the starter doesn't work. Next thing I did after that was I tested the starter solenoid, which is this right here. Ever since that time, I decided to put the starter motor on hold, and decided to rewire the car. So instead of looking like this, now looks like this. But I found more trouble. I found more trouble in the wires that make up the rear lighting of the car. The brake lights, turn signals, all of that stuff. And in order to gain access to those, I removed all of the seats in the car. They are in my house now. I'm not sure if that really accomplished anything, but I'm in the process now of wiring up my brake lights, tail lights, reverse backup lights, and the gauge that reads the meter in the gas tank, license plate lamp, all of that kind of stuff. I guess I didn't have this shot set up very well, but look what we have here. We have holes here. That can probably be patched, but this is going to have to be replaced. Holes, 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 holes. And there's more holes, smaller holes up front, but here's a hole. Here a hole, there a hole, everywhere a hole. So there we go. The other thing I got is they used to put creosote or tar all over the metal for sound deadening. It's kind of like an early version of bed liner, I guess. You can kind of see it there. I'm gonna have to scrape all that off because I want to see the extent of the rust.